Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Minecraft. Today we'll be building part 2 of the easy house in Minecraft. Let's get right into it. So today we'll start building the farm. Well, not the farm, but the vegetables and stuff. Now, a lot of people don't like vegetables, but in Minecraft, you can't taste it, so it really doesn't matter. First, you might want to start off collecting grass, so you can get a wheat farm. I already have 15, but why don't we just get more? More the better. Let's try to aim. So I'm trying to aim for 50 subscribers. I'm at 11 right now. Can you help me and get more subscribers? Just 3 seconds and very easy. Just go close this video, go down and press subscribe. That's all you have to do. Maybe if you like, you can like the video, write a comment and stuff. And basically, yeah. So it will help a lot if you get me to 50 subscribers. So come on, if you're a gamer, subscribe. That's what gamer lore is. Okay, I'm at 31, so let's get started. Just a bit more. Okay, let's go. We will need a hoe. I'm aiming for stone hoe. We need wood. Okay, first we'll go 1, 2, 3. Just like so. Don't do what I did, because now I have to mine all these blocks out and wait for them to go back. Oh, 104. 2 over actually. That doesn't matter. Okay, they've nearly all grown. Now it's time to add the water. To add the water, we'll have to first find iron. This will be a hard job, so we'll need like 5 pieces. Never mind, it won't be that hard. And of course I don't have a stone pickaxe. There, that should be enough stone. This house is going to look really cool. I've only got 100 minutes to build it. And I've already used like 40, if you can see up the top right. Nice. Okay, let's start this. Look at that. We even got more than we needed. We can make nearly 2 buckets. Just need 1 more piece. Let's wait for this lava to go down. Oh. How this looks a bit, nothing's down here. Maybe that's high. Oh, I think it's turning dark out. Yep. Okay, let's smelt this iron. Now that the iron is done, we can craft the bucket. Bucket. There. Let's get some water. Let's keep doing this. Make it flow like a river. Would have been easier if we had 2 buckets, but at least we've got one. Whatever you do, do not do what I've done. Ugh. I'm surrounded by zombies. Let me sleep. Oh. Can't sleep. Let's make some light. Maybe they'll go away. And of course I don't have sticks. I'm so stupid. Why am I doing this? Okay, hurry. Don't tell me that. Oh my god. Now there's a skeleton. Go, 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 go. Running for. Oh no. Oh no. There's baby zombies. Crap. Oh. Hey guys, so this will be the end of the build. It doesn't look so cool, but it's an easy starter, simple build for people that just got it. So I hope you like it. All it is a little farm and a tiny house, as you've seen the inside of the house before. All you'll need is wood, glass, seeds, hoe, water, and tree seedlings. And that's all for today. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try to build a cool build.